Uptown Swing, level 3 on Thursday nights with Jeremy and Naomi. We started with a review of the fabulous rollout, and because it's a review, we're not going to film the whole thing, but I do want to show you what we talked about as an exercise for both leaders and followers. So I said, in order to practice that triple step turn, a nice way to do that is if I just take an 8 count and do half a turn on the triples, and then you can do a triple step turn on one side and chill it out, or you can do a triple step turn on the other side too. And remember, some pointers we had were don't take a huge step. It's hard to get around. Make sure you keep that bounce so that you keep a little stability underneath you. And you're just going to do one turn and have a little leftovers at the end. For both leaders and followers, it was really about getting that really juicy, nice wind up and then having the speed to do a triple step turn. Remember, if you do a step turn, it's not illegal. It's just not what we're doing. And then we did a new thing, or a new old thing, the old thing being sugar push, but a new thing to you.
We did the sugar push, and it was great. We talked about having human-like hands, or human hands. And it was a very
we vibed first. Yes, we vibed.
Totally did.
We did vibes. Remember, we're not breaking behind us. If anything, it goes and squishes out to the side, but we're not pulling out to the side, and we relax our wrists. We're not pushing with the back of our hands like this. Then we did the footwork solo. This is your practice for this week.
Leaders, followers.
We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we touched and did it, which made things a little bit worse, but that's what we're working towards, having the vibes and the footwork.
That's right.
1, 2, 3. Your magic number is 4 leaders. You're not pushing against them on 3.
2, 3, 4.
You're gathering on 3. And followers, you're not just moving ahead of your leader to these places. You're actually trying to keep going the last way you went. We do one direction at a time.
We'll catch up next week. Nice job.
See ya.